I have been thinking about emotions lately and how they shape my day.
I feel the same because emotions guide the tone of every interaction.
Sometimes I wake up with a calm feeling that sets everything right.
I often begin my day with a thoughtful mood that influences my focus.
What emotions usually appear for you in the morning?
My mornings bring quiet curiosity that grows as the day starts.
I tend to feel excitement when new tasks come up.
I often experience anticipation when I face something unfamiliar.
Happiness arrives for me when I talk with supportive people.
Joy reaches me when I share meaningful moments with others.
I notice that sadness comes when I remember difficult times.
I feel a soft sadness when I reflect on memories that changed me.
What makes you feel deeply grateful?
I feel deep gratitude when someone understands me without explanation.
I sometimes feel nervous around big changes.
I feel nervous when expectations become unclear and heavy.
I find peace when I listen to soft music in the evening.
I feel comfort when I sit in a quiet place with warm light.
I sometimes hold anger inside because I fear hurting others.
I manage anger by breathing slowly until it feels balanced again.
I feel relief when I talk about what bothers me.
I experience relief when someone listens with patience.
What emotion gives you strength the most?
Confidence gives me strength when I remember what I have overcome.
I tend to feel hopeful about small improvements.
I feel hope when I see consistency and growth.
I get overwhelmed when responsibilities pile up quickly.
I feel overwhelmed when time feels shorter than my tasks.
I feel calm when I walk slowly outside.
I feel calm when I watch leaves move in gentle wind.
I sometimes feel excitement about learning something new.
I feel excitement when I discover a new perspective on familiar things.
What types of moments inspire your happiness?
My happiness comes from shared laughter and warm conversations.
I feel comfort when I spend time with someone who listens well.
I feel comfort when silence feels gentle and not heavy.
I sometimes feel confused when emotions overlap.
I also feel confusion when feelings arrive too quickly to understand.
I feel encouraged when someone reminds me of my progress.
I feel encouraged when effort is recognized with sincerity.
I sense frustration when plans suddenly change.
I sense frustration when expectations lose clarity.
I feel confidence grow when I complete something challenging.
I feel confidence grow when I handle difficulties with patience.
What emotion seems hardest for you to control?
I find impatience hard to manage when I want quick results.
I feel joy expand when I see others succeed.
I feel joy expand when kindness appears naturally.
I sometimes feel lonely even around people.
I feel lonely when connection feels shallow or forced.
I feel motivated when I set clear goals.
I feel motivated when I imagine the outcome with clarity.
I notice fear when I face the unknown.
I feel fear when uncertainty stretches too far ahead.
I feel comfort in familiar routines.
I feel comfort in steady habits that ground my thoughts.
What emotion reminds you of your childhood the most?
Nostalgia reminds me of childhood when I see old photos.
I sometimes feel curiosity about how emotions shape identity.
I feel curiosity when I learn how feelings influence decisions.
I sense love when someone truly understands me.
I sense love when presence feels steady and warm.
I feel guilt when I speak too sharply.
I feel guilt when I overlook someone's feelings.
I feel inspired when I read stories of resilience.
I feel inspired when I see others overcome obstacles.
What moments usually bring peace to your heart?
I find peace when I take slow breaths and rest my thoughts.
I feel proud when I help someone who needed support.
I feel proud when I stay patient through stress.
I feel warmth when I hear sincere laughter.
I feel warmth when kindness appears unexpectedly.
I sometimes feel confused about why I react strongly.
I feel confused when reactions happen before understanding.
I find sadness when I think of endings.
I feel sadness when something meaningful changes shape.
I feel courage when I take small steps toward growth.
I feel courage when I accept discomfort as part of progress.
What emotion helps you connect with others?
Empathy helps me connect because it opens space for understanding.
I feel gratitude when someone shares their story with trust.
I feel gratitude when I am welcomed without judgment.
I feel determination when I work through emotional challenges.
I feel determination when I choose growth instead of avoidance.
I sense excitement when I imagine future possibilities.
I sense excitement when I think about creative opportunities.
I feel tenderness when I see someone try even when tired.
I feel tenderness when someone speaks gently during conflict.
I sometimes feel restlessness when I need change.
I feel restlessness when routine becomes too tight.
I find joy in simple daily acts.
I find joy in small achievements that brighten the day.
What emotion feels hardest for you to share with others?
Vulnerability feels difficult because it shows sensitive parts.
I feel relief when I let myself cry.
I feel relief when tears release heavy thoughts.
I feel encouraged when someone says they appreciate me.
I feel encouraged when words of support come unexpectedly.
I like talking about emotions in simple English because it helps me share my feelings clearly.
I enjoy doing that too, since simple words make communication easier.
I feel calm when I use basic emotion phrases because they help me stay relaxed in conversations.
I feel peaceful with those phrases as well, since they make speaking less stressful.
I talk about happiness with easy words because they show my positive mood.
I describe my joy in simple ways too, since short phrases sound natural.
I share my sadness through gentle expressions because soft words feel more honest.
I explain my low mood with simple lines as well, since clear language helps others understand.
I express my excitement with short phrases because they show my energy quickly.
I describe my excitement in simple terms too, since it feels friendly.
I talk about my worries using basic words because they help me express stress safely.
I share my concerns with simple phrases as well, since they make difficult feelings easier.
I explain my anger with calm expressions because gentle language keeps the mood balanced.
I share my frustration in soft words too, since it avoids conflict.
I describe my confusion with easy phrases because they help others guide me.
I express that feeling in simple language as well, since clear words bring support.
I talk about feeling proud with short sentences because they show confidence.
I share my pride in simple ways too, since they sound sincere.
I describe my disappointment using gentle phrases because they soften the emotion.
I explain that feeling with simple lines as well, since it keeps communication smooth.